On a cool Monday morning, the city began to come alive, and you could tell that autumn was coming. The leaves had just started turning red and gold, making the streets look colorful. It was a peaceful morning, but nobody knew that an exciting and suspenseful week was about to begin. Detective John Mitchell, known for his unwavering commitment to justice, stood on his balcony, sipping a cup of steaming coffee. As the sunlight came through the trees, his phone rang loudly, breaking the quiet moment. The call brought information that would make the coming week difficult. It was Sarah Davis, a name he hadn't heard before, who was at the center of this unfolding mystery. Sarah had vanished without a trace, leaving her family distraught and the community in shock. Detective John knew that every minute counted in such cases, so he quickly made his way to the scene. The following day, Detective John arrived at Sarah's home, nestled in a quiet suburban neighborhood. The crisp autumn air carried a sense of urgency as he began his investigation. He meticulously combed through her belongings, searching for any hints that might reveal her whereabouts. Conversations with her family and friends offered glimpses into her life, but nothing seemed to add up. Desperate for leads, Detective John enlisted the help of tech experts to delve into Sarah's digital life. Her phone and computer became a treasure trove of potential clues as they scoured through messages, emails, and online activity in the hope of finding a breadcrumb that would lead them closer to the truth. By Wednesday, frustration loomed over Detective John like a dark cloud. With no solid leads to pursue, he decided to take an unconventional approach. He sought out a talented sketch artist and described to them the person who might be connected to Sarah's disappearance, based on the fragmented information they had gathered. The resulting sketch was hauntingly lifelike, capturing every detail of the enigmatic figure. Detective John hoped that this sketch would ignite a spark of recognition in someone's memory. He distributed it widely, both to the public and to fellow officers in neighboring jurisdictions, hoping that the mysterious figure would soon be unmasked. A few days later, there was a small sign of hope. Someone who saw a person that looked like the one in the drawing at a gas station nearby got in touch with Detective John. He felt a strong determination again and understood he had to move quickly. He got his committed team together and went quickly to the gas station. They needed to see the video recordings from there, and it was very important. As they watched it closely, their hearts beat faster together. They saw the person they were looking for on the screen, just like the tipster had described. Detective John got a new clue and followed it closely. It led him deep into the woods to a hidden cabin. Inside, he found Sarah, who was tied up and hurt but alive. This was a moment of great relief and emotion as they freed her and assured her that she was now safe. The person responsible for what happened to Sarah turned out to be Robert Turner, a well-known criminal with a history of doing very bad things. Detective John and his team acted fast and caught Turner. When they looked in his hiding place, they found clear evidence that linked him to what happened to Sarah. They saw her stuff and signs that there was a fight, which showed that he was responsible. They arrested Turner, and he was finally facing the consequences of his actions. Thanks to Detective John's unrelenting dedication, Sarah was reunited with her family, the shadow of fear lifted from their lives. Robert Turner faced justice, receiving a lengthy prison sentence that ensured he couldn't harm anyone else. The community rejoiced, hailing Detective John Mitchell as a hero, a symbol of hope and safety.